Hey, I'm Steve from Prima Coffee, and today we're going to take a look at this portafilter dosing cup from Acaia. As you can see on the box here, this is their medium model. And if you've seen their previous mediums, you'll notice that this is just a little bit shorter than those. And the reason is because this is going to fit under many more grinders. We see this as a really great investment if you are single dosing from your EK43 for espresso, for your Sette for espresso, and because again that they've re-engineered this to be just a little bit shorter, it'll fit under tons of other models as well. So there's not much to this. It is made of stainless steel. It can fit about 70 grams of coffee powder or espresso powder in here, which you're never really going to need. You're only going to need enough for that single dose of espresso, so right around 20 grams. It has a 58 millimeter top here, so that it'll fit all 58 millimeter baskets and portafilters, like you see here. We've noticed that it'll also fit 57, so it's a little bit more snug, but given that it has this ridge here, it'll go ahead and fit 58 and 57. Pretty simple to use. We have the Lagome here, and it doesn't fit on the portafilter forks here. It'll fit underneath, or you can hold it. So that's the thing with this. It will fit, like we said, on the EK43. It'll fit under the Sette from Baratza. It'll fit under many other grinders, but it'll really work with any grinder as long as you are holding it. So we'll go ahead and dose this out. There's 18 grams of coffee. And so basically you can grab your portafilter, and then you can go ahead and turn it over, do whatever you need to do to groom it, and then you are ready to take. So in the box here, you're going to have the manual, which, because there's not much to this, the manual is very small. Inside, you also have this silicone anti-skid pad. It is sticky here on the bottom. You'll just remove the paper, and you can fit it to the bottom of the dosing cup. And this will just make sure that it's not sliding all over the countertop. So that is the portafilter dosing cup from Acaia. You can find it online at primacoffee.com. Thanks for watching.